viewers all over the world. Join us this Tuesday for a life-changing service with Pastor Eudora.
Let my people go. Let my people go. So that they may worship me. Pharaoh, let my people go. Come out! Come out!
It will be a time of intense prayer and worship, a time of great outpouring and refreshing in the presence of God. There will be deliverance, healing, miracles, breakthrough. Chains will be broken and the sick shall be healed in Jesus' name. Time 15:30 hours to 18 hours. We are located in Chilanga, Mimosa. We also have free transport from town, Chawama to Chilanga. For more information, contact us on 0776 509936. You can also follow us on Facebook at Sons and Daughters of Love.